Hey all, so in this video we'll be talking about how we can create voice clones and use those voice clones using the smallest APIs. So in order to get started, you can find the API documentation down below here in your account panel. Once you click the API documentation, it will take you to the documentation of the APIs. You can find all of the APIs that are available here. Primarily today we'll be using add your voice and text to speech using Lightning Large for our demonstration. To fetch your API keys, you can click API keys on the platform. It will take you to console and you can just copy your API key from there. In order to demonstrate how you can do this, I have prepared a boilerplate code. This will be available in the link below. This will also be available in the Waves example repo, the link for which you can again find in the attachments below. So what we'll be doing is that we'll be adding a voice using a reference audio. So creating a voice clone needs a reference audio of around 3 to 15 seconds. The best practices for adding or using a reference audio can again be found in your documentation. So again, you go to the platform, click your account panel, open your account panel, go to documentation. Once you drop in here, you will find the best practices for text to speech, best practices for voice cloning. So you can just have a look at it and select the best reference audio for your voice or the clone that you want to create. So coming back here, we'll be adding a voice using a reference audio. Once it's added, we'll be using the same voice clone to generate a text which says, I absolutely love creating new voices with smallest. Once it's generated, we'll be deleting that voice ID so that you can create another voice clone and test it out. So quick look at the functions. These are just post requests or get requests with different URLs. The first one for adding a voice is called add voice with Lightning Large model. For generating speech, it's called get speech with Lightning Large model. Obviously the payloads look a bit different, which you can have a look when we share the code. And the delete is just like delete with the Lightning Large model, right? So that's how the APIs look like. So let's give it a quick shot. I have already done a trial run before. Let's do a trial run again. Before this, you can quickly have a listen to the reference audio that's there.
The difference in the rainbow depends considerably upon the size of the drops, and the width of the colored band increases as the size of the drops increases.
Right? So as you can see, it's a very thick male accent, like old age, mid-age person kind. That's what the picture I can create in my mind. So let's generate an audio using this and let's see how close it comes out to be. So as of now, we are adding the voice ID in our systems or the voice clone in our systems. It will return a voice ID that again you can use for generating this sentence. So this step takes a bit of time because a lot of cleaning etc. is happening. Once it's done, the other steps are fairly quick, as you can see. Now the audio has been generated and the voice ID has been deleted again. So this was the reference audio we used, and this is the audio that has been generated. So let's quickly listen to it and see how close it is to the reference audio.
I absolutely love creating new voices with smallest.
Exactly. So it's very close, right? I can feel that it has very closely mimicked the reference audio that I've given. So this was a quick demonstration of how you can generate a voice clone and use it in your use cases. I would love to know what sort of use cases you would be unlocking with these voice clones that we have. Would love to know more about what else you would want here, etc. So happy coding. Let us know how did you find it.